Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Chang. In today's top story, the United Nations Security Council reject rapid support for its new government in Sudan. According to the United Nations Security Council, has rejected the announcement of a new government made by the rapid support forces in the part of Sudan they control. On Wednesday, the President of Security Council, Eloy Alfaro, from Panama, gave a statement. He said the council is very worried about this action. The UN believes this new government is danger to the unity and safety of Sudan. It could make the fighting worse, break the country into part, and make the already bad humanitarian situation even worse. The Security Council said they fully support Sudan's sovereignty, independence, unity, and territorial integrity. This means they believe Sudan must stay one united country without being divided. They say any action that goes against this can harm not only Sudan's future but also peace in the whole region. The UN said the most important thing now is for both sides in Sudan to return to peace talk. The goal is to agree on a long-term ceasefire and create the right condition for political talk that include all Sudanese political and social groups. These talks should lead to a credible and inclusive political transition and finally to democratic election after a civilian-led transition period. The United Nations hope that this will allow Sudanese people to achieve their dream of a peaceful, stable, and prosperous country owned it and led by the Sudanese themselves. The Council also reminded everyone about Resolution 2736 of 2024. This resolution demands that the RSF end the siege of El Fashar, stop the fighting immediately and calm tension and around the city. The UN say famine and extreme anger could spread if the fighting continue in El Fashar. The Security Council say they are deeply worried about new report of RSF rapid support force attack in El Fashar. They also concerned about report of attack in Sudan Kordofan region in recent week. They also concerned about report of attack in Sudan Kordofan region in recent week. These attacks have killed many civilians. The council asked the rapid support force to allow humanitarian aid to reach El Fashar without any obstacle. They also call on all sides in Sudan to stop fighting, protect civilians, and follow international law. The UN said all sides must allow safe access for humanitarian aid workers and respect the Jeddah Declaration, which is an earlier agreement made to protect civilians and help stop the fighting. They also say those who commit serious crime must be punished. The Security Council told all countries not to interfere in Sudan in ways that cause more fighting or instability. They asked other nations to help support peace, follow international law, and respect all UN resolutions, including Resolution 2750 of 2024. The UN also repeated its promise to stand with the Sudanese people. They will keep helping Sudan to fight peace, security, and stability so the people can live in prosperity. The Security Council said they fully support Ramtane Lamamra, the personal envoy of the UN Secretary General, is working with all sides in Sudan and with civil society to find a peaceful solution through dialogue. If you are new to my YouTube channel and you would like to hear top stories about Sudan conflict and politics, please I would like you to help me by supporting my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching and bye bye.